to another page. Okay, already I have created one project by using the view UI table view cell class. In this class already they have one view controller class, so I am creating another second view controller class. I have drag and drop from library, that is UI view controller, and I am giving the naming convention for second class. Using CocoaTouch class, and we have to give the subclass for UI view controller. Class name is second view controller. And we have to mention a class name for view controller. And giving the class name second view controller. So when we are navigating from one view controller to another controller, we have to use the navigation controller. So it is used for for converting from transferring from one class to another class. I am using the navigation controller from library. Navigation controller, drag to from library. So while we navigating, dragging the navigation controller, it will be default view controller will become like table view controller class. So we have to remove that class. So we are deleting the root view controller class. Not it. So this is here. It is a for initial view controller. Initial view controller means first initially it starts from in this class from the first class. This is for initial view controller icon navigation. I mean for that we are changing that initial view controller. This is for initial view controller we are giving navigation controller. It start from navigation controller, and we are giving the connection between navigation controller to view controller by using the root view controller. It is routing for relationship between navigation controller to UV controller. So we want to navigate from one view controller to another view controller, first view controller to second view controller. Basically, I am used like I'm a model view class controller. So model view controller, there is no for storyboard. So we have to give that. We have to recommend that UI storyboard for navigation controller for that by using the UI storyboard. In view controller we cannot use UI storyboard. We can push the by using the let storyboard dot navigation dot controller from from view controller. Here one thing I am using the UI table view delegate method like did select method also. So let main storyboard UI story equal to UI storyboard m.bundle main class from here giving bundle nil. So we can start let home second class main storyboard dot initiate with view controller with identifier. I am giving the second view controller identifier. This story identifier used for second view class identification identifier self dot navigation controller so from which class we have to second class boolean value true. So it will be navigated from one class to another class. We have to give the storyboard bundle identifier for the second class storyboard ID, and we will pass the value from one view controller to another view controller simultaneously. In second class we have to create a empty string value. We will print the value just. My array index path dot row as string. So we will get the we are displaying the array in print this class. We are printing the value in here. I have click on the iOS first index array at index. So I got the iOS. I will come back and I will print the Angular. It will print the Angular value. So this is for navigating from one view controller to another view controller, and simultaneously we are passing the value from one view controller to another view controller. We can pass the value from by using the 5 methods like navigation controller, push like secure, so notification center, delegate methods, and everything. KVV also key value observation, everything. So that's passing the value from one view controller to another view controller, and navigating one controller to the another view controller. So this is about the table view and table view cell. I have discussed this session. Next session I am going to how to store the code value in code data. Thanks a lot. Please subscribe to my channel.